If you're living in diaspora, I mean those in the US, UK, Canada, or even Germany, and you're battling to get a very, very good body combo, like a skincare product that would actually help maintain your light skin or lighten your skin, this is a combo for you. Like this combo would work really, really, really well for you guys. Lately, I recommended a body care combo for one of my subscriber in the US, and she really loved it. Majority of the time she would call me and appreciate me for how good the product I recommended to her works. So this is a combo I'm going to be recommending here, especially for those based in the US, Canada, UK, and maybe diaspora. If you're looking for a very, very good combo for your fair skin, or you're looking for a combo that would take your skin from one shade to two shades without leaving discolorations, bleaching effect, this video is for you. Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. How is everyone doing? If this is your first time, hi. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to this one. In a world where everybody basically would want to lighten their skin, they don't want to know the after effect or the end point of this skincare product. All they want to know is, can it lighten my skin in days? For everyone that cares to listen, I'll tell you, a product that promises to lighten you in days is not a good product, because these products might contain like hidden mercury, ingredients that would give you a reverse effect in the long run. So the best way to actually lighten up your skin, going for product that contains natural plant extract, ceramides, like very, very good mild ingredients that will not only lighten your skin, but that will help retain moisture, slow down early signs of aging, clear hyperpigmentation, discoloration, and evening out your skin tone. If you're using any lightening product that does not even out your skin tone, that's a clear sign that you don't need those skincare products. Now, why I chose this combo for those in diaspora is because the combo is really mild. So if you're living in Nigeria and you're not patient, you might not see results. That is not to say that people in Nigeria are not using it, but you might not see results as fast as those living in the UK, US, Canada, or Germany. Do you understand? So yes, this is a combo that would generally work for anybody with a light skin complexion. Does this make sense? Without further ado, let's delve straight into it. The very first product I'm going to be recommending is an exfoliant. When we talk of combo, a combo comprises of an exfoliant, a shower gel, a tablet soap, a moisturizer, basically a body lotion, a protective product, which is your sunscreen, as well as a body oil. Majority of the times when we don't recommend sunscreen is because we know that the products are really safe, and the body lotions or moisturizers recommended also contains SPF. Let me get my thank you down in the comment section, because this is not your regular recommendation. I'm getting that off the way. The very first thing I'm going to recommend for you guys to obviously start doing, because I know that when you have a combo, you know that okay, I have to exfoliate my skin, but picking the right exfoliants can be a little bit tasking. Yes, I have already done that for you, and for this I'm going to be recommending Face Fact Watermelon Sugar Scrub for you. See this scrub? This is a beautiful scrub that is very, very gentle, tender, and mild on the skin. It exfoliates your skin in depthly. It doesn't strip the skin at all because it is very, very mild. It leaves your skin feeling really sweet, and it lathers. The smell is it for me very nice. The smell is one thing that makes me love this product in the first place, because I want to be in the bathroom as much as I am cleansing my skin. I also want to perceive something really nice that would make me look forward to my cleansing time or bathing time. So this product is very, very, very good. I don't think I would have a substitute for this, because this is one product that is very nice, like very nice. It does the job. However, if you have a body scrub that is working for you, then you can skip to the second part, which is a shower gel. Now for this routine, I'm going to be recommending a shower gel. This is very mild, and your weather there is kind of cold, even though I know we're in summer now. It's a combo that will work for you anytime, any day. So for shower gel, I'm going to be recommending Vaseline Luminous Body Wash. You see this particular one, it is beautiful, it is sweet, it is gentle, like it has amazing ingredients that aligns with those with sensitive skin. So if you're suffering from hyperpigmentation or uneven skin tone, or you have dark spots, this would not just cleanse your skin, it's going to help even out your skin tone. It's going to also help eradicate dark spots. It's going to make your skin really beautiful, supple, and leave people complimenting your skin tone. It is very mild and helps to lock in moisture on the skin. It comes in 3 varieties, but like I always do, I'll leave the one I'm talking about on the screen. This product is effortlessly beautiful. Again, if you are looking for something that would lighten you in 2-3 days, this is not a combo for you. I'm talking for those who are just intentional people who knows what they want for their skin, because when I consult with people, I kind of know what they want, even though they will tell you, I don't want something that will whiten me, I want something that will lighten me. This is a combo that is very, very, very mild, but will give you a beautiful result in the end without getting any reverse effect, discolorations, dark knuckles, or even green veins. This is a combo that would definitely work. If you ask me for a substitute, I think Olay Vitamin C Shower Gel would also do really, really great for this purpose. It is so effective and very, very mild. Like I said, Vaseline body wash comes in 3 different variants. It has smart glow, luminous glow, as well as youthful glow. So all of their variants are very beautiful. I don't know the differences between these 3 because all of them aims at glowing and brightening the skin. So by all means, pick anyone that you feel comfortable with. Because we're targeting those in diaspora, I'm going to be recommending a body serum. A lot of people would ask, what is the differences between a body serum and a body lotion? A body serum is way lighter in consistency than a body lotion. A body serum penetrates seamlessly upon application, much more than a body lotion. So a body serum is very, very lightweighted, especially for those with sensitive skin. It works fast, but in all, they're all very good in their own various ways. The body serum I'm going to be recommending is the Vaseline Glycerin Body Boost Serum. I don't know if that's the name, but I'm going to leave it on the screen. You see this particular body lotion, I don't know why they don't project it as much. It is very effective, very beautiful, and gives a very, very beautiful result. Only down part about this lotion is the fact that it doesn't give enough moisture on the skin, which is where body oils comes in, because of course you cannot have a combo like this without a very, very good body oil. See this body boost body oil is a body oil you can pair in this combo, and it makes all the difference. It's a game changer. All of these products I'm listing are all available for sale. If you want, I can ship them to you wherever you are. This is a body combo that will definitely give you peace of mind. You go to bed with your 2 eyes closed, and you wouldn't have to call me day and night telling me that you're facing discolorations or dark knuckles. Like, this is a combo that when you buy, you also want to keep buying, unless you want to move your shade from 1 shade to 3 shade in less than no time. But yes, in overall, this combo is very, very, very beautiful. Pairing it with this body oil makes all the difference. If you cannot get the body boost oil, this particular oil, I'm going to recommend that you try out. I'm going to leave it on the screen because oil, I think it comes in 2 varieties. Sometimes when I'm filming videos like this, I tend to forget names of product. But yes, these products, this oil is very, very good. It's going to help lock in or seal in moisture on your skin. It will not leave your skin greasy. I don't ever recommend using a body oil that feels greasy on the skin, because that would not penetrate. Again, how you use your body lotions and body oil determines how effective the results you're going to get at the end of the day. So what you need to do is apply your body lotion first before your body oil. When you apply your body lotion, don't go in with your body oil almost immediately. Please leave it for like a minute before going in with your body oil, because you want that body lotion to also do its own thing whilst, you know, allowing the body oil to do its own thing. Now we know that body oil basically just locks in moisture, but it does sometimes more than that. So if you apply it in the right proportion, that is when it will all make sense to you. But if you don't apply it in the right proportion, you would keep complaining that you're not getting results. So I hope this has been able to help you, basically giving you a guide on how to actually maintain your fair light skin, or, you know, taking it from 1 shade to 2 shade, because like these products are products that are definitely going to lighten your skin basically, because they will not make you go dark and they are not going to make your complexion stagnant. So yes, they are definitely going to give you value for your money. In my next video, I'm going to be making like a routine for you guys in diaspora, because I know a whole lot of you are struggling with skincare products that will work for you. If I show you guys the kind of DMs I get pertaining these particular issues, you'll be marveled at what people are struggling with in diaspora. So I'm going to be official care routine for those in diaspora, because I always tell you guys, when you're going for body care routine or facial routine, or especially if you are based in the US, UK and Canada, you should go for products that are really mild and also contains ingredients that tackle major skin concerns. I'm going to be recommending to you guys a few products for your face in my next video because I don't want this video to be lengthy, and I think this period I'm going to focus more on creating content for those in diaspora, and I hope this helps you. And I'm only going to do that if I see that you guys loved it or you guys want to see something like that. Okay, so I hope this video helps you. If you did, please do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that, and I'll see you guys in my next one pretty soon. Bye.